Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bolts up. We click on settings. So here in this first page of bolts, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this list you will search about bolt up and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to press by like and subscribe. See you next time.